Then last 10 years, I have been fighting for this Manikarnika Sevashram Sanstha case for so many years of fighting and living inside that the monastery. And every now and then, I am getting fear that somebody will come and will demolish our building. Every now and then there is threat. The sannyasis of Guru Parampara who are living in the Nityananda Dhyanapitham ashram, what is happening to them, can see their life story. I would like to tell you. See, we have even got orders in our favor. Even the court has given orders in our favor, but they are not ready to hand over the building to us. They are not ready to allow us the freedom to work, the Hindu sannyasis, and they are coming in cover of faces. Multiple times they tried, physically assaulted, they demolished the building left and right, and they have gone. We have made police complaint, but no police is actually of help. Even now also they are pressurizing me again and again to succumb to what they want, not what is right and what has to be done. So in a way they just want to put some kind of bad name on us, and after that they will throw us out of the building and they will demolish, like how the Palghar incident happened. The same way they're trying to, I am sitting here, they are negotiating with me. At the same time they're on the other side, they're demolishing. They're telling, you sign on this paper, we are agreeing. I said, no, why we are agreeing? Because you are not settling us. Without settling us, you are making me force to sign on something. And on the way they are saying they are demolishing. No. Our thing is going on, and how without even negotiation begins, not even signing the paper, doing the proper rehabilitation, they are forcibly coming and just trying to demolish the whole structure. This is what is happening to the whole sadhus, Sanatana Hindu Dharma. We say that we are following, religion, but the anti-Hindu forces, where we are living, we are the one of the important monasteries who are doing all the works, charitable works. Whoever were coming to Manikarnika Sevashram Sanstha Ghat, we were giving them free food, free education. So everything we are providing them free, and we were teaching them yoga, all that thing we are doing. We were worshipping our deities. We are living our Sanatana Hindu Dharma. But what is happening? Each the government official just made our life hell actually. They every now and then somebody, an anti-Hindu, they want to move us out. Why should we move us out without properly settling us? What is our what? You don't even when we go to the court, irrespective of that, we are inside the building, you demolish. There is a contempt which is again going on. Irrespective of the contempt is going on, in the meeting itself they are laughing. Because they are laughing, they are saying, we have so many contempts going on, we'll handle all those contempts. Either you agree or we are sorry. Like very forceful. The way they are explaining that they don't bother about any court orders, and they don't respect any court orders. What they want, they will do. So basically, even though we are sadhus, we have some individual, the citizen rights, but our rights are reduced to zero. Nothing is there actually, because anybody will come and move us out. There is no law. Police will not support us. Yesterday night, if you see how they demolished the building next to us, which was illegally, and plus they tried to demolish. It was by grace of Paramashiva, by grace of Kala Bhairava, some local people came in large number in the midnight at 1:30 around. They tried to demolish our building. You can see the photographs from today. See how, what right they have. They are sending the police and the whole area is dark actually. In the darkness, they are sent police, and they have sent gundas who took money and drove, and almost the front portion of our building demolished. But in the midnight, it is because of the grace of Swamiji, the grace of Paramashiva, that they have some people came and supported us, and somehow when too much people came in and shouted for help, women started crying, so they ran away from that place in the midnight. And you can see the morning how our entire building is filled with current. Anywhere we touch it is sparking. There is no light. We have not eaten any food since morning. We have not slept whole night. We have not taken any bath, because we are just the whole day and night we are just fighting with this. There is for us life is nothing, like just survival itself is so difficult. So this is all I want to say. I want every human being to think for Hindu sannyasis, what is happening with the Hindu sannyasis, to support for us, to understand us in a better way. I'll again come back and keep on reporting of what is happening. If I am afraid, if I go inside for the negotiation, they will really beat me, and they will forcibly try to sign on the papers.